Welcome to Zoological World. Today we will discuss about Bengal tiger. One of the most wondrous and iconic animals to walk the earth, Bengal tigers are majestic and rare. They're also one of the biggest cat species in the world. On average, Bengals are larger than other tiger species, but the largest tiger ever recorded was a Siberian. As such, Bengals are considered the second largest tiger species. Today, wild Bengal tigers are animals that only live in Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, and Nepal. And while there are more Bengals than any other tiger subspecies on the Indian subcontinent, the populations are endangered. Fascinating facts about Bengal tigers: human residents of jungle villages that share space with large cats wear face masks on the back of their heads because tigers prefer to attack from behind. If the felines think a person is looking directly at them, they typically find another target. Between the late 1800s and early 1900s, a female Bengal tiger known as the Champawat tiger killed 436 people around Nepal and Kumaon. After an autopsy, scientists realized her canine teeth were damaged, which prevented her from catching normal prey. It is believed that these tigers will coordinate attacks against larger prey like rhinoceros and elephants. Scientists believe Bengal tigers arrived in India between 12,000 to 15,000 years ago. In 2019, a Bengal tiger named Ming, a 19-year-old tiger that sadly spent most of his life living in a New York City apartment, passed away. It was discovered that Ming's human companion, Mr. Yates, fed him about 20 pounds of chicken meat a day and turned one room in the apartment into a sandpit for his best friend. How big are Bengal tigers? Male tigers are typically between 9 to 10 feet long, including the tail, and about 3 to 3.5 feet tall from the ground. On average, boy Bengals tip the scale between 397 and 569 pounds, which is about the same weight as a pig and half as heavy as a polar bear. Females are slightly smaller than their male counterparts. They're usually between 7.5 to 8.5 feet long, and while the same height as the males, only weigh about 220 to 350 pounds, about the same size as a reindeer. What is a white Bengal tiger? Every so often, a Bengal tiger is born with an all-white coat with brown to black stripes. These white Bengal tigers tend to grow faster and larger than their yellow and orange peers. Bengal tiger behavior: the primary traveling unit of these tigers is a mother and her offspring. Besides the early development period, which lasts about 2 to 3 years, Bengal tigers are solitary creatures. On rare occasions, a group of tigers will converge in the same area, usually because of a plentiful food source. When such gatherings happen, the group of tigers is called an ambush or streak. These tigers, like nearly all other tiger species, have home territories that they rarely leave. When children go out on their own, females typically stick close to their mother's area. During their first year living alone, adolescent cubs visit their mother's territories, females more often than males.